Hello friends, today we will see how to create a receipt in Oracle AR. So for that you need to log into any receivables responsibility. So in this case I logged into receivables version operations responsibility and then navigate to receipts. First thing you need to specify the receipt method. So that's nothing but the bank account where you want to deposit the funds received from the customer. Click on the drop down. I'll select the Bank of America, specify the receipt date and the GL date. So these two got defaulted to 7th of May in this case. These are the system dates, and if you want you can change these dates and then specify the receipt number. So I'll just say REC some number 200. Receipt amount, I know there is one particular transaction for 17,000 to $50, so I'll just want to receive that transaction, so I'll just mention the same thing, 17,000 to $50. If you know the number transaction number, you can enter the transaction number, or you can even also specify just the customer number, the customer name, and in the next screen you can system shows all the outstanding transactions for that particular customer, and then you can pick up the appropriate transaction. I'll just pick up the customer ABC Corporation Americas. Click on OK and then click on apply. So here you can see the status is unapplied, so that means you have entered your customer but you have not yet identified the exact transaction, so it's you have not yet applied this receipt amount against any specified transaction, so that is the reason why you can see the status as unapplied. And click on apply and then click on the drop down. So here you should be able to see all the outstanding invoices which are entered under that particular customer. So I'll just pick up this particular customer because this is the transaction which I had entered. I'll just pick up this particular transaction. Yeah, apply date, the date on which you want this particular receipt to be applied against this particular transaction. Again, by default it defaults to the system date. If you want you can change the date or you can leave it as is, and then click on save. So here you can see the status as applied. So earlier the status was unapplied, now here you can see the status is applied. And then you can again go back to that particular transaction and check the outstanding amount, bring up the transaction. So I made a note of the transaction which is 501358, control F11. Yeah, here you can see the balance due is 0. Click on details. You can see this is the receipt amount which we have applied. So if you want to go to the receipt, click on actions, installments, click on activities. See, this is the receipt which we have entered against this particular transaction. Click on details, which will take you to the receipt screen. Yeah, so this is the receipt which we have entered, and if you want to do an accounting for this particular receipt, you can just click on tools, create accounting. I just want to go for draft. Click on OK. You can see the message accounting has been successfully created for the transaction. And if you want to check the accounting entry, click on tools, view accounting. Click on view journal entry. Here you can see the journal entry, your cash got debited and receivables got credited. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.